Well, hello everybody. In this video, we're gonna go down Ocean Drive. It's a one-way, so to get there, we're gonna go on Collins. We're going north on Collins. It's blocked off north of 13th, so you gotta hit 13th Street, go east toward the beach, and then you could go on the famous Ocean Drive. So maybe we'll see some interesting sights and sounds. Try to say hi to some people. Get some people looking at us, waving. Check out this Corvette, huh? It's convertible just like ours with the New York plate. So coming up here on 10th Street. Tasha, you like this drive?
Yeah.
Tasha didn't want to be on camera. So it's kind of quiet, a block away. Is that the back of the Versace house? We're gonna see the Versace house. There we got some single guys going. Huh? What do you think about those single guys, Tasha? Tasha's rolling her eyes. How about these single guys? Hey, what's up? Where are y'all from? Mexico. Go back to Russia. Just kidding. Say hi on YouTube. I'm just kidding. I'm just having fun, Dash. Look at this electric car, golf car, huh? Those guys rented it. You can rent anything here. Swimsuit store. Okay, so this is 11th Street. We're almost there. Oh, come on. Red light. So, just another more minute and we'll be there. Let's see what it looks like on the map. There we are. Slingshot. So here we are, just in Miami. Corvette Stingray 68. No, that's not a 68. That's like 72 or 75, maybe 76. I don't know my Corvettes that well. So slowly people are coming out. It's going to be a little bit active on a Thursday night. Finally made it to 13th Street. Versace house right here. It's a restaurant. They have valet parking. We have not eaten there. Watch the movie Versace House. We watched that recently, right, Dasha? You liked it? House of Versace. The guy was killed on the stairs there. House, look at that. A rainbow police car. This is the gay club. The beach is over there. Everyone coming from the beach going for a walk in the town. So they made it a one-way now. You could only go one way. The other way is blocked off. It's a bike lane, two-way bike lane. So you could only go southbound. Before, I had driven my truck here going north. So it's too bad can't drive the truck going north now. We'll have to try it going south sometime. Here's the famous thermometer. Gosh. Take a picture next to it. These are some of those classic hotels that you may have seen in movies from long ago. They're still here. So that's kind of interesting. Here's that Colony Hotel. These are famous right here. The Colony Hotel is from the movie Scarface. So yeah, check it out. So the night scene is just coming alive. Live music. Of course, there's the ticket guy. Beach is just over those sand dunes over there. So we're continuing down our drive. And now we're coming to the end. Coming up to 5th Street here. So that's it, we have to turn now. Hope you enjoyed this little drive. Sometimes they have the street blocked off. There's some kind of shows, food trucks, car shows. definitely make your way out here on South Beach Ocean Drive. Where are you all from? Nashville, Tennessee. Welcome to Miami.
Thank you.
That's exactly where it's going. Florida's hot and Miami's hotter.
There you go.
I've been to Nashville several times too. Great place too. Y'all enjoy. Yeah.
Happy tourist.
I guess, yeah. Milena musi jechać. Don't know how happy she is. Unhappy girls with their friend. Are they Russian? The guy back there looks Russian. His dad. A good place to go also is South Point Park. It's to the left of here, south. But it's usually packed. So get there early to get a parking spot. Maybe we'll do a drive-by there later.